Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's another tutorial coming from me. Today we will be talking about our skin. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to get notification anytime I upload a new video. And for those of you already following me, please don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to thumb this video up and drop your comments on the comment chat below. Okay guys, I'll be sharing one secret with you. This secret is very important to take care of our face, to prevent our face from being burnt in this hot period. So I'm going to be showing you how to use vitamin D to protect your face from having a sunburn. Sunburn is very annoying. Sunburn makes you look old. Sunburn makes your face wrinkles. You understand? When you have sunburn, you find out that your face, that particular area where the sunburn is, has started wrinkling. So this is what you will do in order to stop this wrinkle, in order to avoid having the sunburn. They say prevention is better than cure. So that is what we are going to be doing this morning. So vitamin D will help your face stay clean, stay clear out of sun radical, glow your face, and prevent it from being burnt. Okay, I'm going to be showing you the vitamin D. This is the vitamin D we are talking about. So this vitamin D now is very essential in human body. This vitamin D helps to promote healthy bone and teeth. This vitamin D is also known as sun vitamin. This vitamin D helps protect our body from type 1 diabetes and cancer. You can browse it up if you want to know more about this vitamin D. So I'm going to be showing you how to use this vitamin D to protect your face from being burnt, from having sunburn. So you have to because in this period that we are now, right now, the weather is too hot. So we have to take this measure in order to protect our face from being burnt. So all you need to do is remove one of the capsule, like I have in my hand right now. When you remove it, you pierce it. Drop the oil in your palms. You can use 2, you can use 3, you can use, depending on the area you want to apply it. So when you pierce it, you use the oil, apply it all over your face. Wherever you normally have a burn, apply it. If you wish to apply it all over your face, there is nothing wrong with it, but I prefer applying it all those areas where I normally react to cream. So me, I don't have a cream reaction, I don't have burn on my face, so you apply it. I'm just sharing this in order to help us protect our skin. So you apply it all over. So this is, I only used 1 capsule, so I've done applying it. So if you are the type of person that like to wear makeup like a foundation or powder on your face, all you need to do is wait for like 30 minutes after applying this vitamin D on your face, oil on your face. You just wait for like 30 minutes. By then the liquid has already absorbed into your skin. So you wait for like 30 minutes, then you apply the powder. Then you are ready to go out for that day. But if you don't feel like wearing makeup, you are all set to go out. You have already protected your skin from being damaged. This oil will protect the sun ray from damaging your face. Okay, guys, I hope you like this video. More tutorial on gele, more tutorial on makeup, more tutorial on skin products. Okay, always stay tuned with me, and remember, I love you guys. Without you, I am nothing, and I so much love you, like I always told you. Okay, keep sharing my video, keep subscribing, keep inviting your friends. All right, I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.